Morning students, today we are starting lesson number 3, input and output devices. We know that computer has a main 4 types of devices like input devices, output devices, storage devices and processing device. Input device used for input data and instructions, output device used to see the result of processing, storage device used to store the information and processing device is used to process the data. So, first we will study input devices. Children, input device is used to enter data and instructions into the computer. On the basis of our data instructions, computer do processing. As you know, computer is a machine. Without our instructions, computer cannot do any work. जब तक हम कंप्यूटर को इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं देंगे तब तक कंप्यूटर वर्क नहीं करेगा. सपोज वी वांट टू ऐड नंबर्स फ्रॉम कंप्यूटर, देन वी हैव टू गिव नंबर्स टू द कंप्यूटर. हमें कंप्यूटर में नंबर एंटर करने पड़ेंगे. देन वी हैव टू इंस्ट्रक्ट द कंप्यूटर दैट इट शुड ऐड and then computer add the numbers. So, without our instructions computer cannot do work. So, how can we give instructions and data? हम डेटा और इंस्ट्रक्शंस इनपुट डिवाइसेस की हेल्प से देते हैं. सो वी हैव टू स्टडी वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ इनपुट डिवाइसेस वी यूज इन आवर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. लाइक वी हैव टू add the numbers, we have to give the numbers. So, we give the numbers with the help of mostly keyboard. Okay. Now, suppose after working if you want to shut down the computer, अगर हमें कंप्यूटर को shut down करके बंद करना है तो what we have to do? We have to choose the shutdown option and then we have to click on a OK button with the help of mouse. जब तक हम shutdown option choose नहीं करेंगे और OK button पे click नहीं करेंगे कंप्यूटर शटडाउन नहीं करेगा. सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर गिविंग इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू द कंप्यूटर विद द हेल्प ऑफ माउस. ओके. नाउ चिल्ड्रन सी, these are some common types of input devices we use with our computer system. As I told you, keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone and joysticks are also popular input devices. So, first we will study for keyboard. Now, what is a keyboard? Keyboard is a most common and popular input device used to enter data and instruction. Children, keyboard has some small buttons. उसमें छोटे छोटे buttons होते हैं that are known as a keys. That is the reason collection of keys is there. So, it is called the keyboard, board of various keys. And what we can do, keyboard is generally used for typing purpose. हमें कुछ टाइप करना है तो हम कीबोर्ड का यूज़ करते हैं. लाइक वी कैन टाइप स्टोरीज, पोएम्स, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. वी कैन टाइप with the help of keyboard. How can we do it? Because keyboard has a various types of keys. Keyboard has a alphabet keys, keyboard has a numbers keys, keyboard has a special symbol keys. And generally a keyboard has a how many keys? It has a 104 keys, but nowadays 108 keys keyboard also available in the market. See, this is a picture of a keyboard. You can easily see it has a various types of keys. Some keys has a alphabet, some keys has a numbers, some keys has a special symbols. See, these keys where alphabets are written known as a alphabet keys and alphabet key is used to type alphabet. अगर हम इन keys को press करेंगे तो alphabet insert होगा. Numbers keys used to type the numbers. If I press 2, so what will be insert in the computer system? It will take 2 from the keyboard. If I type 5, press 5, so 5 will be inserted in the computer. Now see children, these are some special symbols. If you want to insert these special symbols, we have to press the keys to insert these special symbol. सो कीबोर्ड स्पेशली यूज फॉर टाइपिंग पर्पज़। कीबोर्ड का सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ क्या है, हम उससे टाइप करते हैं। नेक्स्ट चिल्ड्रन इज अ मोस्ट पॉपुलर another input device is mouse. Mouse is also known as a pointing device. Why? Because it is used for pointing and clicking. हम इससे point करते हैं items को। And mouse has a two buttons. mouse के two buttons हैं, left button and right button. Mostly we use left button. And in the center of these two buttons there is a one scroll wheel. Scroll wheel used to page up and page down in a documents. Okay. Now what we can do, we can point some item on the screen, we can select the item, we can move any item, है ना। अभी मैंने आपको कहा था कि हम ओके बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे, तो वी क्लिक विद द हेल्प ऑफ माउस। एंड फॉर यू माउस, यू कैन यूज़ माउस टू ड्रॉ पिक्चर्स। आप कलरफुल पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, शेप्स ड्रॉ कर सकते हो। यू कैन प्ले वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ गेम्स ऑन कंप्यूटर। सो माउस इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी important input device. Okay children, I hope you have understand about these two input devices, keyboard and mouse, and other input devices we will study in the next period. Thank you and have a nice day.